Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever spent hours reading research papers but still couldn't identify a research gap? What if I told you that AI can help you find a potential research gap in just 5 minutes? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method using powerful AI research tools like ChatGPT, SciSpace, Consensus AI, Elicit, and Google NotebookLM. We'll use a real research topic, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along. If you're working on a research proposal, thesis, dissertation, or literature review, finding a research gap is one of the most challenging tasks. Instead of reading dozens of papers one by one, AI can help you analyze the literature much faster. For today's demonstration, we'll use the topic, the impact of social media on youth. Let's get started. Step 1. Search for research papers. The first step is collecting high-quality research papers. You can use platforms like Google Scholar, Scopus, Web of Science, Semantic Scholar. Search for Impact of Social Media on Youth. Download around 10 to 20 recent research papers. The more quality papers you have, the better your analysis will be. Step 2. Upload papers to an AI tool. Now, let's use AI to analyze these papers. Some of the best AI tools are Google NotebookLM, SciSpace, ChatGPT, Consensus AI, Elicit. Simply upload your research papers or PDFs. Ask the AI. Summarize these research papers and identify the major findings. Within seconds, the AI reads multiple papers and creates a concise summary. So we uploaded our research papers, PDFs, to SciSpace. Then we ask the AI, summarize these research papers and identify the major findings. Within a minute, SciSpace analyzed all the uploaded papers and generated a clear, well-structured summary highlighting the key findings from each study. Step 3. Understand what previous studies already found. Let's see what AI tells us about our example topic. According to previous studies, heavy social media use is associated with anxiety and depression. It can reduce sleep quality. Academic performance may decline due to excessive screen time. Body image issues and low self-esteem are common among adolescents. Social media addiction has become a growing concern. This tells us what researchers already know. But remember, a literature review isn't just about summarizing studies. It's about identifying what's missing. Step 4. Ask AI to find the research gap. Now comes the most important step. After uploading all your research papers to NotebookLM, ask the AI. Based on these research papers, identify the research gaps and suggest future research directions. Within a minute, NotebookLM analyzes all the uploaded papers, compares the evidence across multiple studies, and identifies the missing areas in the existing literature. It may generate research gaps such as, most studies focus on depression and anxiety, but very few explore positive outcomes such as learning, creativity, or skill development. Most research uses cross-sectional designs rather than longitudinal studies. There are limited studies on university students in developing countries, such as Pakistan. The impact of AI-powered social media platforms has not been widely investigated. Few studies compare the experiences of rural and urban youth. These AI-generated insights provide an excellent starting point for identifying potential research gaps and developing a stronger research topic. However, AI suggestions should not be accepted blindly. Always verify the identified gaps by carefully reviewing the original research papers and ensuring that the evidence supports your final research gap before including it in your literature review or research proposal. Step 5. Convert the gap into a research problem. Finding a research gap is only the first step. The next step is to transform that gap into a clear, focused research problem. Open NotebookLM and ask the AI, Convert these research gaps into a clear research problem statement suitable for a research proposal. Within seconds, NotebookLM can generate a well-structured problem statement based on the evidence from your uploaded research papers. For example, instead of simply writing, "There are limited studies on university students in the United States," transform it into a stronger academic statement like this. Although previous studies have examined the relationship between social media use and mental health, limited research has investigated the impact of AI-driven social media platforms on university students in the United States. Notice the difference. The second statement summarizes what previous research has already established, identifies the missing area in the literature, and clearly explains why the new study is needed. This is the type of problem statement commonly used in research proposals, theses, dissertations, and journal articles because it provides a strong academic justification for conducting the research. Step 6. Verify everything with original papers. One final but very important step. AI can save you hours of work, but you should never copy AI-generated content directly into your thesis, dissertation, or research paper. Always return to the original research papers and verify every summary, finding, research gap, and citation. Make sure the AI's interpretation accurately reflects what the authors actually reported. Think of AI as your research assistant, not your final author. It can help you read, organize, summarize, and analyze the literature, but the final responsibility for accuracy and academic integrity is always yours. By verifying every claim with the original sources, you'll produce a more accurate, credible, and high-quality literature review that meets academic standards. Best AI tools for finding research gaps. Here are my favorite AI tools for academic research. ChatGPT, brainstorming, summarizing, and generating research questions. Google NotebookLM, analyze multiple PDFs and chat with your research papers. SciSpace, understand complex papers with AI explanations. Consensus AI, find evidence-based answers directly from scientific research. And Elicit, compare studies, extract findings, and identify research gaps. Each tool has different strengths, and using them together gives the best results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share practical tutorials on AI tools, academic writing, research methodology, and thesis writing. Also, let me know in the comments which research topic you'd like me to analyze next using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.